ReadyTech's virtual instructor-led training blog. Today's video, importance of virtual IT lab software in the modern world. Companies must quickly adapt to opportunities and technological advancements in today's fast-paced business environment. One way businesses do this is by adopting virtual IT lab software, a tool that's becoming crucial for modern IT operations. Virtual IT labs are simulated environments where employees can practice tasks, learn at their own pace, and collaborate remotely. These labs are cloud-based and managed by service providers, allowing for secure, scalable, and cost-effective training. Key benefits of virtual IT lab software. Business continuity. Virtual IT labs help maintain business continuity by allowing training without disrupting work schedules. 24/7 support. They offer around-the-clock assistance, which is particularly beneficial for employees working unconventional hours or in different time zones. Eliminating physical infrastructure. By removing the need for physical lab spaces, virtual labs reduce costs and increase collaboration across global teams. Advanced technology integration. Technologies like augmented reality, AR, artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics enhance the learning experience within these labs. Accessibility. Virtual labs improve accessibility for learners who may face challenges in physical settings, providing a safe and realistic environment. Cost savings. Virtual labs cut costs by reducing the need for physical resources, particularly in fields requiring expensive equipment. Improved education quality. These labs help students grasp complex concepts through virtual experiments, making learning more engaging and intuitive. Work from home flexibility. Employees can access critical data and programs from home, offering flexibility during personal or local emergencies. Innovation and experimentation. Virtual labs foster innovation by allowing employees to test new ideas and collaborate. Implementation. Tips. Businesses can implement virtual IT training labs by creating a lab environment on existing computers or using a virtualization platform. The key is choosing a solution that aligns with the organization's needs, requirements, and budget. Conclusion. Virtual IT lab software is a powerful tool that enables businesses to stay agile, reduce costs, and enhance training programs. As technology evolves, adopting virtual labs will only become more critical for organizations looking to remain competitive in the digital age.